Hey, it's Noah at Thrive. In this video, we're going to talk about how to get us files, folders, images, text documents, etc. So when we build you a website, we're going to be looking for some photography from you as well as some text documents, etc. So the best way to do that, to get us the files we need, go to thrive.design/upload. This is going to be a simple form where you can put in your company name. So I'm going to see Acme Construction. And say you're going to be sending us images for your portfolio, you could just say portfolio images. And then just zip up all of your images into one zip file and then click browse, and then you can put them here and click submit. And you could send us Word documents, Excel files, whatever, PDFs, whatever kind of format you have for your content. If you are a Google Docs user and would like to share it with us, just share it with hello@thrive.design. Otherwise, use this form to submit all of your Word documents and photos, and we'll go from there. Thanks.